Night fam, I am about to shock you with a question. Which is the first country in the world that used drones to deliver medicines and blood nationwide? A country that has a one laptop per child program. A country that launched a satellite to provide internet to its rural schools. The answer is Rwanda, and in case you didn't know, it's in Africa. I know, it's the last you'd expect, and probably many of you never even heard of this country, but that is exactly why I made this video. Because many people thinking of Africa think of poverty, crime, violence, corruption. But what not enough people know about is that in the heart of Africa, there is one country making a big difference. Rwanda has developed so fast that it's called the Singapore of Africa. It has become one of the safest and cleanest countries, fastest growing economies, and now a model state to the rest of Africa. All these incredible things happened after surviving a genocide that left 800,000 people dead and forced over 2 million people to escape the country. But after years of hard work, Rwanda rose above many other nations, setting a strong example to the rest of Africa. So how did Rwanda manage to reach this point despite the crisis? Many times I have said, bad past doesn't mean a bad future, and Rwanda is the best example of that. It was a huge teamwork between the people and the government led by President Paul Kagame.
You have all the potential and possibilities to become as big as you can be.
They all came together to reach its #1 goal, national unity.
We are moving on. We don't want to be held by what happened in the past. We want to move on. We want to look for the future, and it doesn't matter.
He offered tax benefits to Rwandans who left because of the conflict in the 90s, and 1 million of them even came back. On top of that, in only 5 years, more than 1 million Rwandans were pulled out of poverty. There have been huge improvements in terms of tourism, employment, and even life expectancy from 28 years to 67. That is just incredible. In fact, this country is so forward-thinking that they even have a national cleaning day, not every year, but every month.
Were you paid to do Murwanda today? Did they give you money to participate in Murwanda?
No one who does pay me.
No one paid you to participate?
Yes.
So why do you have to do it?
I have to do this because I'm the citizen of the country, so
Thank you.
I have to do this to develop my country.
The government invested in education, providing many students free laptops. In 2019, they launched a satellite to connect rural schools to the internet to make sure that no student gets left behind because children are the future. It also became the first country in the world to make use of drone technology to improve its healthcare system, where medicine can be delivered by drones to any part of the country. When you put all of the above together, it is incredibly impressive. And that is why this video is made to break stereotypes about Africa. It's about time we stop living in the past and seeing Africa as a place where people only struggle. Because Africa is an incredibly diverse continent, and Rwanda is a great example of what African people are capable of: progress and greatness.